Hello! So, repeat tayo kasi hindi natin nahanap yung page ni Coach Jonah. Tinag na lang natin siya sa kanyang personal Facebook profile. So, welcome to the Daily Habit with Coach Jonah and Coach Katie. And syempre, yours truly, no? Ang inyo pong, ano bang tawag doon? Coach, servant leader, ayan, sa Team Momentum and Team Prosperity. Welcome to the Daily Habit. So, we will try our best na mag-live and mag-share ng thoughts every morning at around this time, within 7 a.m. Bahrain time and 12 noon naman sa Pilipinas. Ayan. So, Coach, I'm waiting for Coach Jonah. Nasa na kaya siya? Okay, anyways, while waiting for her, so we were happy na kahapon, yun, ayan na, bring them on video. Yes. Yes. Tama ba?
Ayan!
Ayun! Ayun na, si Coach
Finally!
Jonah de los Santos.
Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, so happy
Kaso,
to see
Coach
you
Jonah,
again.
hindi kita marinig. Ang parang bulong lang.
Ay,
Ayan,
hindi
narinig
mo
na kita.
marinig?
Loud and
Yon.
clear
So,
na. Good
yes, so
morning!
naka-earpad ako. Kasi para solid lang din yung sound. Ayan. So, good morning. Good morning. Literally, good morning to you. It's
Yes.
7
30.
anong oras na dyan?
7:35.
7:30.
Yeah, to be exact.
7:35 Bahrain time. So, dito naman is 12:35 Philippine time.
Yes. So, bago tayo mag-start, ipakilala muna natin ang ating mga sarili, no? So, I'll do it first. So, welcome po sa The Daily Habit with Coach Gian, Coach Jonah, and Coach Katie. Wala si Coach Katie nga, but soon, she will, try to join us in one of these lives. So, ako po ay nandito OFW sa Bahrain and I am a proud Live Good affiliate. Ayan. And ito naman sa baba ko ay ang aking partner in crime. Yan, Coach Jonah. Introduce yourself.
Ayan. So, good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Coach Jonah. I have a page na Coach Jonah and my personal is Jonah de los Santos. I'm from Taguig City. So, ako po ay nanay, happily married. Meron akong 3 anak. Ayan. So, Coach Gian and I, we have a online business and we are both a brand affiliate or brand ambassador of a Live Good. Yan. So, we're so happy, grateful, and blessed to share with you. And bukod dun sa pagli-live good, meron akong may plumbing business kami ng aking husband. So, back to back to back, hand in hand, minamanage namin yon while also managing our online business. So, ako din
Galing.
po ay
Entrepreneur si Coach Jonah.
Oo, kailangan natin yan dahil hindi pa pwedeng isang income stream lang ang pumapasok sa loob ng tahanan dahil alam naman natin, no? Every month, meron tayong due bills at due date na hindi talaga tayo tinatantanan at buwan-buwan tayong binibisita. At after the big C, di ba? So, lahat nagtaasan ang mga bilihin pero ang ating mga sahod ay hindi tumaas. So that's why we really need to have an additional income stream. At sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, di ba, kailangan natin maghanap ng isang income stream na habang natutulog tayo ay kumikita. And I'm so excited dyan sa ganong klase. At napaisip talaga ako, no, akala ko dahil parang luho lang kailangan mo ng ng income na additional, pero because we have a growing family, tumataas ang obligasyon, taon-taon, tumataas ang bilihin, taon-taon. So, yan, perfect na perfect to have, we have an online business, no? Ayan, Coach Gian, back to you.
Alam mo, lahat ng sinabi mo, tama. Tama talaga. So, and we are, hindi naman lucky, kasi siguro, mas meron lang din tayong edge kasi we have access to our phones, may internet tayo. So, it's high time na gamitin natin tong resources na to, na hindi lang pang
Yes.
entertainment, yung pag-browse, panonood ng mga YouTube or YouTube vlogs. So maganda ring gamitin ang ating mga phone and internet connection para mag-start ng iyong sariling income stream. Kasi ngayon, online na talaga ang labanan. And if you do not have an online side hustle or online business, medyo left behind ka na. Kasi etong
Correct.
2024 is the era of changes, no? Talagang, or yung kailangan i-maximize natin yung resources natin kasi napakadaming opportunities online na pwede nating subukan, so tanggalin na natin
Correct.
yung era na mahiyain ako, hindi ko linya yan, ayaw kong subukan, hindi ko yan. Kasi ngayon, kung ikaw ay, ano ba tayo? Generation X ba tayo? Hindi ko alam. Gen X ba tayo? Gen Z? Hindi ko alam,
Gen
no?
X.
Ayan, Gen X.
Coach
Yan, mga
Gen X.
tayo mga Gen X, yan, no? Ano tayo hati tayo. Meron tayong malaking experience na walang internet, and then syempre meron din tayong right now na din tayo sa internet, unlike yung millennials and Gen Z na talagang they have been brought up, or they grew with the internet. Pero tayo mga Gen X, medyo mahiyain pa tayo. Pero dapat tanggalin na natin yan, no? We have to do better na, sabayan ng mga bagets ngayon. Kasi kung hindi nyo
Correct.
napapansin, ang daming mga bagets na hindi pa nga umaabot ng 10 years old, pero ang laki na ng kinikita nila online. Can you
Yes,
believe?
true. So, masyado silang exposed sa internet, kaya meron tayong smartphone, we have the smartphone, kailangan nating maging smart sa ating paggamit ng ating phone. Kaya we need to have an extra income. Kasi imagine mo, nagbabayad tayo ng bills, meron tayong bagong cellphone, pero lahat ng pera yung palabas. So ito yung panahon na yung mga ginagastos natin sa internet, sa telepono, sa data, ito naman yung time para bigyan niya tayo ng pumapasok na income ng bongga. And I like yung sinabi mo na yung dahil sa Generation X tayo, no, we have the opportunity na nakita na natin yung mga baby boomer, anong nangyari sa health nila, anong nangyari sa lifestyle nila. And our generation is somehow to correct those generation, at yun yung maipamana natin sa mga anak natin. At alam mo, Coach Ian, ano yung maganda sa nakikita ko sa ginagawa natin? Nakikita ng mga anak natin kung ano yung ginagawa natin right after ng job natin na 9 to 6. No? So, somehow nagkakaroon sila ng entrepreneurial mindset na ay ganito pala yung ginagawa ni mama, ito yung lifestyle namin. Kasi kami, laki kami sa hirap. Sabi ko nga dati, kailangan naming mangutang bago kami mag-almusal, lalo na kung wala na kaming bigas. At ayoko mangyari yun sa mga anak ko, no? Ayoko mangyari nangyayari yan sa mga anak ko na umaga pa lang, alas 7, alas 8 ng umaga. Sasabi, oh, andito ka na naman. May utang pa, hindi na pang benamano. Ayokong maranasan yan ng mga anak ko. Kaya after ng high school ko, Coach Gian, pumasok akong katulong para ako ay makapagbanat ng buto para makapag-aral ako ng kolehiyo. And I'm so happy, grateful, and blessed sa experience na yon dahil yung aking amo na pinsan ko, no, na nasa US, hello, shout out to Josephine Ambris. So namasukan na akong katulong sa kanya at meron siyang negosyo. So isa rin tong factor na nakapagbukas sa akin na kung ikaw ay may negosyo, meron kang choice kung papaano ka mabubuhay sa araw-araw. And at the same time, kung papaano ka tutulong sa kapwa mo. At sa ngayon, napakasarap tumulong sa mga kapwa, sa magulang, sa humihingi ng tulong na hindi mo iisipin kung saang bulsa mo kukunin. At yun din isa yung nananalaytay sa akin kung bakit gusto ko ng maraming income stream. Kasi marami akong pwedeng tulungan at patuloy akong maging tulay ng biyaya sa iba. So yun. Oh, hi Coach
Wow,
Kiri.
maganda.
Shout out natin, Coach.
I'm trying to add Coach Katie pero wala pang response sa kanya. Ulitin natin, baka pwede na ngayon. Grabe, Coach
Sige.
Jonah, ang story mo, no? Ang powerful ng story mo. So, I'd like to request you na sana gumawa ka ng 3-minute video at, bigyan mo kami ng brief about your life at para magamit natin yan sa ating mga socials. So, ang agang maalaala mo kaya story from Coach Jonah. So,
Yan.
ang saya lang kasi we can talk about our life experiences na hindi na tayo masyadong lumuluha kasi we are full of hope. And now, Coach Katie is online. Yan. Ang Tres
Hi,
Marias
Coach Kiri.
Yes. Nakaabot.
Pakilala mo naman ang iyong sarili.
Nakaabot din ka ako, mamadali ako mag-drive home. Actually, I just hop out dun sa ating Zoom, yung ating team Zoom. I was helping Coach Sal and tinawag niya ako, sabi ko, Coach, kailangan ko makita na yung daan, madilim na. sabi ko na, wanna hop into yours, guys. Thank goodness I have 3 devices, Hi, ladies! Tres Marias, ang aking mga core sister. Parang naalala ko yung 4 years ago during COVID na. Then we do the reflection and intention. Ako po ay pangatlong Maria. Hindi ko alam kung pang-una, pang-gitna, pang-ano ako. Ako yata ang pinakamatanda sa inyo eh.
Ayan the bunso.
Huwag na i-reveal ang edad, Young at heart. Si Coach Katie from Vegas, Tubong San Juan, Metro Manila po tayo. Nagpapasalamat ako kasi na-meet ko tong dalawa na ito through actually social media. Power talaga ng attraction marketing saka branding, no? When you put yourself out there to whatever platform, tama? Kasi ang mga stages natin, stage, kung saan natin i-share yung stories natin, anything that we're passionate about, hindi na limited sa physical location. Kasi kahit pa nga before COVID, we already have social media. Honestly, yung unang-una kong social media is yung Friendster. Naalala niyo ba yon?
Yes.
So,
reflection and intention.
Ay, no, sabi kong ganyan. Ang galing within the past 15 years, yung evolution ng social media. Ngayon, ginagamit natin social media not just to entertain, we educate. Like, yung ginawa nyo kaninang umaga, alam nyo ba, ni-leverage nyo yung time nyo kasi yung mga taong nag-work kanina during sa US, araw dito, nanood ngayong gabi. Kaya ako manonood, papanoorin ko. Hindi ko pa natapos, but I am hopping in. Ang galing ng product information. Very informational, very educational, at very entertaining din. Ang dami kong tawa. Natatawa ako. So, ang dami ko nang sinabi, So, thank God for the power of social media kasi yung kaming tatlo talaga, we actually instantly bonded. We came from the same company, pero we're not on the same, tag dito, tag network. Yeah? Pero grabe kasi yung what we planted prior to being in this company that we are right now, nasabi niya na ba, na-mention niya na?
Yes, we mentioned it.
Of course, talagang
Yes.
living good na tayo ngayon. The search is over.
yes.
We are now living good. We found our home. Pero alam nyo, hindi, sa tingin ko, hindi tayo bonded so much kung wala tayong napagdaanan from our other company and from yung nangyayari nung COVID, na-stop yung natin, yung clock natin, and then ang window natin to the other side of the planet, of the world, is social media. So I'm grateful dito sa dalawa nito. I'm very, very humbled, and blessing sila sa akin sa buhay ko, and hopefully blessing din nila ako,
Of
Oh,
course.
yes. Sobra.
So, ito ang ating daily habit. We will try to do it every day. At hindi lang natin pag-uusapan dito yung ating business. We will also talk about mga random things or yung
Right.
mga trending na topic
Right.
and ano pa man. Kasi Coach Katie is a teacher by profession, and then si Coach Jonah naman is an entrepreneur. Meron silang sariling plumbing business, and yours truly ay OFW. Pero ang common denominator naming tatlo, we are mothers who want the best for their children. Ayan, kaya yan ang number one why namin, no? Na kaya we hop on in this social media craze, kasi kahit na sa totoo lang mga mahiyain kami. Pero kailangan lumabas of our comfort zone at sabayan ang Gen Z and millennials in utilizing this resources. Kasi nga naman, biruin mo, no? Merong mga less than 10 years old pero kumikita ng, oh my God, they are set for life, di ba? So, we also want to follow that. But, syempre, alam niyo naman tayong mga Gen X, no? Meron tayong malakas ang natin, yung prinsipyo. We always work around our principles. So, hindi lang tayo basta gagamit nitong social media just for the sake of using it. We want to use it with a purpose. Ang isa sa mga purpose namin is to bigyan kayo ng ng information about health and wellness, and at the same time try to help you with your income generation with income generation opportunities via Live Good. Ayan. So
Yes.
closing words, Coach Jonah, kasi for now introduction lang, and I have to drive dahil malilate ako work.
Ayan, So, thank you so much, Coach Gian, and thank you so much, Coach Kiri, for makumpleto ang tatlong Marias. Ayan, at ngayon po, no? So, everyday po namin gagawin ito para mabigyan po namin kayo ng mga bagong insight bilang nanay, hindi lang dahil isang negosyante, hindi lang dahil isang affiliate or brand promoter. So, maraming kaming nais ibahagi sa inyo based on our experience, no? At napakaganda dahil sabi nga ni Coach Gian kanina, kung ang negosyo mo ay wala sa internet, nako, patay kang bata ka. So, this is the time for us to ride sa momentum to bring us prosperity in our lives. Kaya, guys, we are inviting you to join us on our live every day at here in Manila, it's 12:30 in the tanghaling tapat and 7:30 ng umaga sa Bahrain. At Coach Kiri, anong oras sa'yo? So, 12, 11,
Halos
9:30,
9
9, 10,
o'clock na.
11, 12.
Yes.
9:30 sa'yo dyan sa Las Vegas. So, ayan ano. So, ibig sabihin lang po nito, wala pong imposible basta ginusto nyo kahit sa ang sulok ng mundo kayo as long as na you live by purpose. At bakit nga ba namin ginagawa ito? And during our reflection in our daily lives. So, we give you intentionally the purpose bakit namin to ginagawa. And dahil dyan, meron kaming choose Wednesday. It's a Wednesday habit with Coach Jonah and Coach Gian Wise na Raketera from Bahrain. So samahan nyo kami, no? Alas 4 ng madaling araw sa Las Vegas at alas 11 ng gabi sa Pilipinas at alas 7:30 sa'yo, Coach Gian, 7:30 in the evening, Bahrain time. So 6:30. So 6:30, samahan nyo kami. So ang topic namin mamaya, ano nga ba ang nangyaring this Christmas? It is in or yehe or ano ba yung worth it ba yung nalaga sa atin? So it's yung sharing the blessing, yung sharing ng blessing and what are we looking forward. So kanina dito kagabi no dito sa Pilipinas ibinahagi namin sa inyo what that superfoods and mamaya tungkol naman sa buhay-buhay ang ating pag-uusapan. Ayan. Okay, so
Hey, thank you, Coach
and
Jonah.
sabi ko ano,
Sorry, Coach
go
Jonah.
lang, go
Coach
lang.
Katie, can you for us?
And what?
Can you close it for us?
Oh, I just want to give my gratefulness to the universe. Maraming salamat kasi God allows this event to happen. This is an event, right? Kasi ang hirap ng oras nating tatlo pero we make it happen. Kasi ito ang reason. Kapag may paraan, kayang gawin, wag nang magdahilan. Kasi kung magdadahilan lagi, it's not gonna happen. But I take that small window of opportunity. Kung gagamitin mo yon, it will happen. Kasi kung magre-reason out ka na I am so busy and everything, it will never ever happen. Pero ang gratitude ko pa rin is God allow it to happen kasi December was a tough month, I believe with Coach Gian. I'm quiet but it was also a tough month for me. And I'm grateful na we made it to 2024. This is our best year yet. The best is yet to come. We are looking at the diamonds. The diamond, guys. And, a year from now, we are going to be sharing more success story. Hindi lang financial freedom, but also yung aming health-wise, gonna be, bubulusok yan, mas lalong gaganda, at babata tayong lahat, at marami tayong mabibless, kasi ang heart natin is to share, hindi lang yung health, but also the wellness. So, congratulations to both of you kanina, kasi that was a bold decision, and it's about time, and I'm proud that you took initiative, we don't need validations from anybody as long as our heart is into it, and the people that are waiting to be inspired by you, I always said that are waiting for your story. Kahit tahimik sila, kumakatok habang araw-araw tayo nagiging consistent tayo na kumakatok sa kanilang puso. Forget about the others na walang pakialam, but we're gonna be showing up no matter what. I love you both, and my prayers are with you, and thank you sa ating sa friendship, sa sisterhood, at ating bond with not just with Live Good. Sabi ko, I love you with or without Live Good, but we will live good stronger this year. God bless.
All right, thank you, Coach Katie. Thank you, Coach Jonah. So, Coach Jonah, may assignment ka. Make your 3-minute, alam mo kaya, video. Kailangan makita natin yan natin sa mundo. So ngayon, we just did an introductory of our daily habit show with these two ladies. So tomorrow, around the same time, I hope to see my sisters. And bukas, ang topic namin ay ano yan, related sa topic namin mamaya ni Coach Jonah sa Wednesday Habit is yung review ng Christmas. So, etong daily habit, ang intention namin dito is to, chikahan portion lang na hindi mahaba. Mga 30 minutes maximum lang kasi alam nyo naman busy tayong mga mothers, no? And iba-iba ang oras namin. Tanghali sa Pilipinas, umaga and gabi na sa US. But we are grateful na nandito kayo sa channel namin and we hope to see you tomorrow. So kung kayo po ay magre-replay, #replay and let us know kung saan kayo nanonood. And if you are looking for something na matulungan financially, this 2024, do send us a DM or a message or mag-comment kayo doon na I'm interested or just say how and we will get in touch with you. So for now, yan lang muna ang aming i-share. Thank you for your time. Good morning dito sa Bahrain, good evening sa Las Vegas, and good afternoon sa Pilipinas. Ladies, it's been a pleasure and see you later. Bye!
Coach, wait.
Yeah,
If
I'll
you
see
guys
you
are
later.
watching this, share this video. Tag us.
Yes.
Kasi
Yes.
meron akong vision, Coach, pag dumami na ang ating mga sharers and followers, we can have some giveaways. Charging!
Oh,
Talaga
yeah.
naman, no? Actually, gusto yan ngayon. But since sinabi mo na, now, definitely we will have a giveaway. And we will also give away a free membership, no, para doon sa mga gusto and seryoso na mag-start ng kanilang online wellness pharmacy, di ba? So, again, see you
Yes.
tomorrow. Coach Jonah, i-end ko na kasi malilate na talaga ako. So, see you. And
All right. God bless
and
everyone. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.